The internet is a superhighway of ideas, translated into blogs, businesses, portfolios, online shops, and everything in between. And the majority are made with WordPress. But getting your WordPress website online also means getting your technical skills up to speed. And technology can often be frustrating, which is when ideas get lost. That's why we created EasyWP, so no idea ever gets lost again. Instead, they're brought to life quicker than ever, thanks to the fastest WordPress hosting around that's also the easiest to use. From website admin to actually installing WordPress, EasyWP takes care of all the technical hard work, so you can get started right away and focus on all the important stuff instead. Stuff like publishing content, building your ideas, and growing your online business. With the latest cloud technology built by Namecheap, you can add the features and resources you need as your website and business evolves. And if you get stuck with anything, the best support in the business is available 24/7. Our affordable and flexible pricing plans are designed to suit every budget too. So now anyone can succeed with WordPress and make their mark online without the usual hassles and headaches. Because we believe that WordPress is for everyone. EasyWP, WordPress made easy.